on the self-service side, what payment options do you offer? So coin,
Sure.
card, whatever.
Yep. So when I bought it, it was quarters only. One of the first increases I did, or well, not increases, I guess they might have been very similar, the timing wise, but adding the dollar coin option, and now there's a phone app option. And so that I had a lot of feedback on, can we pay with credit card? Can we pay with credit card? And what I wound up deciding to do was, it was one of the things that you put the app on your phone and then the phone talks to the machine. And so that's how we check the box of the credit card. So
would you say those payment options have impacted your pricing structure?
Yes and no. I still feel constrained to the quarter. Not super excited about that. I'm not going to get away from cash anytime soon. I'm trying to get to everything's vended at a $1 so I can just do the dollar coin, but with a personal philosophy of raising prices every year, I don't feel comfortable doing the $1 jumps every year. I haven't accepted the freedom that the app pricing would give me of doing, 10 cents here or 15 cents there, because I do want to have some consistency across my store. So it's a self-inflicted or a handcuff I put on myself to stay constrained to the quarter. I look forward to the day of having a bigger freedom on that.
Makes sense. So Al, what about you? What payment options do you offer at your stores?
I have quarters or cash or mobile app. So I did the research on, do I want swipers on every machine? Do I want, so that I decided to go with the idea of Speed Queen Insights was my first store where I turned it on. And then I went with Laundry Boss at my other stores. And now my city locations are 70% credit, 30% cash. So, I mean, I'm at a point now I don't have to go there, but every 10 days to collect money if I wanted, and which is great. But my third location is still 90% cash, 10% credit. So, it depends on your area, whether it's going to work or not. But at the end of the day, I wanted to make it easy for someone to give me their money. If they want to use a card, I'm okay with it. Do I like paying $20,000 a year in credit card fees? I do not. But when I watched a woman walk into my store, load 5 machines, then look around and realize there's no credit card swipers, and she's like, oh crap, I have no cash, and she starts unloading those 5 machines, I said, hold on a minute, download the mobile app. And that's when I realized it is incremental business, because that woman never left. She didn't go down the street to a place that had credit card readers. And I can't attribute every dollar to the credit card usage, but like I said, my business has grown every year since I've owned it, continues to grow, and including after I take the fees out. So it's worth the investment. I'm trying to make it, when I make a decision on equipment or infrastructure, I'm making a 20-year decision. I mean, this industry, it takes you that long. I mean, it really does. So when I'm making a 20-year decision, do I want to keep accepting quarters 20 years from now when vend prices are 50% higher? Absolutely not. I want to make it easy for the customer when they can walk up to a machine with a phone and scan it and start it, or add 5 machines to their basket and start them all at once. I mean, that's the future. It's not cha-chink, cha-chink, cha-chink.